So as you can see, it's a self-contained display. I assume the spider is behind this sliding door. Some goodies, some pens, some stickers, great. Oh, I see, the spider's in here actually. Nice. What is this? Some kind of, this is not a sticker. You can put up here. Hey buddy, hi Winston, hi Fifi. All right, I'm gonna try to get the spider inside to see what it's gonna do. I'm not sure how big the spider is. All right, so he's out. Oh, there's missing a leg. I'm so sorry, buddy. Oh, during the transportation, just lost a leg. So real quick update. So I put the black hole spider inside the spider keep castle, and I didn't think that it will be ready to feast on any cricket. So it was just for the hell of it, I throwing a small cricket in there, and my golly, it actually ate it. Well, actually eating it. So looks like it is going to survive despite the fact that it lost one of its hind legs. Have to do research to see whether black hole spider will regenerate their legs